everybody. I hope everyone's doing well. I have a really quick video for y'all today. I'm going to be talking about the Google Hangouts Meet LTI in Canvas. Now, I know a lot of teachers who are using Canvas are using the Google Hangouts Meet to create kind of a virtual classroom for their students. And instead of going into your calendar and creating your Google Hangouts Meet and then copying that address and putting it into your Canvas course, I'm going to show you a way to just do that from the get-go in your Canvas course. So the first thing I'm going to do is from my dashboard, I'm going to go ahead and just click on a class. Once you're in the class, the cool thing about the Hangouts Meet LTI is that you can incorporate it in anything that has that rich content editor in it. So an announcement, an assignment, discussion, even your calendar, you can go ahead and utilize the Google Hangouts Meet LTI. So for right now, I'm going to click on the announcements. From here, I'm going to go ahead and add an announcement. I can go ahead and give it a title real quick. And then from right here within the content editor, you can see the little drop down arrow that says more external tools. If you click on that, the last option is Google Hangouts Meet. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Now you're going to want to go ahead and click on the grant access button. And from there, it will go ahead and create the Meet for you and embed it into your text editor. And you're basically done. If I go ahead and hit save, here's my announcement. And the cool thing about it is that you can keep this Hangouts Meet for all your periods. So your first period, you don't have to go ahead and change the Hangout link for your second period. Just keep the same Hangout link, and you can use it for all your classes. And so like I said, anything that has that rich content editor, if you were to go into discussions, the same thing. You can click on add a discussion, and as long as it has that content editor, you have that option of embedding that Google Hangouts Meet. And like I said before, you can even do so on your calendar. If you click on your calendar, it's taking it a little bit. I already have one. But we'll go ahead and add another. So from the edit event option, your little window right here, down at the bottom, if you go to more options, the same thing, your rich content editor will open up, and you have that little option down here to go ahead and add your Google Hangouts Meet. And there you go. That's pretty much it. Like I said, it's a real quick video, but I think it's a tool that will come in useful for a lot of y'all that are utilizing Google Hangouts Meet. If you have any questions, please reach out to your EdTech coach, and y'all have a great one. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.